Hello, welcome to the students of class 9th. Good morning. I am Elsie Madam. Our subject, Social Science. Today is our third day of Social Science class. I hope last 2 days class was very clear for you. We already explained the chapter 2nd, People as Resources. Today we are going to start about our next topic, quality of population. What is the topic? Quality of population. Yes, quality of the population depends upon literacy rate, health of a person, and skill formation acquired by the people of the country. So what are the criteria of quality of population? Literacy rate, health, and skill. It decides the growth rate of the country. Literate and healthy population are an asset of the society. So for bringing more better of the society, first point we are talking about the education. Literacy rate. Yes, education. Education was an important input for the growth of one's life. It opened new horizon for him or her, provided new aspiration and developed values of life. Education contributes towards the growth of the society. It increases or it enhances the national income, cultural richness, and increases the efficiency of governance. Here, government established Navodaya Vidyalaya in each district, giving more importance to education. At the same time, literacy among males is nearly higher than the females. It is female education is 16.6% in urban areas, but it is less than the females as compared to the rural area. Literacy rate varied means differ from 94% in Kerala to 62% in Bihar. Only we know that Kerala state has highest literacy rate. Primary school system was expanded. Sarva Shiksha Abhigyan, one of the important steps towards providing elementary education to all children in the age group of 16 to 14 years by 2010. What was the name of the important weapon? It is known as Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. What is the aim of this initiative of the central government in partnership with the states, local government, and the community for achieving the goal of universalization of elementary education? So what is the importance of starting Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan is clear. The aim is universalization of elementary education. Government also started midday meals scheme has been implemented to encourage attendance and retention of children and improve their nutritional status. These policies could add to the literate population of our country. Over the past 50 years, there has been a significant growth in the number of universities and institutions of higher learning in a specialized areas. Schools started at the same time, universities and institutions also improved. The table is given. The increase in the number of colleges, universities, enrollment of the students, and the recruitment of teachers are shown in the given table. So government understood that what is the importance of education in the life of the people. So what is the main criteria to increase the quality of the population? That is our education. So getting education, the thinking, the mentality of the people will increase automatically. They will learn. They can improve the level of the society. As a result, income of the government, income of the country also will increase. Okay. And last, our homework is read this topic and find out 10 short answer type questions. So, okay. Is it clear? Yes, I hope it is clear for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.